Here's how I naturally tie-dye my clothes with avocados. I found out that boiling avocado skins and pits creates a rose gold colored dye. It works best on 100% cotton, so I'm going to be tie-dyeing this cotton sweatsuit and some socks. To prepare the fabric, I'm going to combine 2 cups of soy milk with 10 cups of water. This will cure my clothes to help the avocado dye adhere. I'm going to soak them in the soy milk solution for 24 hours, then rinse everything out. I'm letting the clothes dry for a week to complete the curing process. After that, to make the dye, I'm going to slice and scoop 8 ripe avocados. It's important to clean off the pits and skins because this is where the dye comes from. I'm placing everything into a large stock pot, filling it with water, and bringing it to a boil for 5 minutes. After that, I'm going to turn off the heat and let the dye steep overnight. To create tie-dye designs, I'm twisting my clothes and securing them with rubber bands. There's different designs you can do, but I'm just winging it. Before I can put the clothes in the dye, I have to bring it to a low simmer. I'm putting everything in at the same time so it'll come out the same shade of pink. After 30 minutes, I can take my clothes out of the dye and into Ziploc bags. After 24 hours, it's time to remove the rubber bands. So the avocado dye color depends on your water's pH level, and this is the color I got. I'm using Dove soap to rinse off my clothes because it has a low pH level and won't strip the dye. You can let your clothes air dry, but I'm tossing mine into the dryer for a quick spin. And this is how my all-natural tie-dye came out.